Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Kirk Hammett is probably one of the most iconic and influential guitarists in the history of heavy metal, known for his blistering solos and distinctive playing style that has defined the sound of Metallica for decades. His signature sound, often characterized by wah-drenched leads and aggressive riffing, has inspired countless guitarists worldwide, making his gear and techniques a constant source of fascination for musicians and fans alike. Whether you're a seasoned player looking to emulate his tone or a budding musician eager to learn from a legend, exploring the tools and techniques that shaped his legendary career offers invaluable insights into the art of electric guitar performance and the evolution of metal music. Number 5. Sondery Metal Distortion Pedal. Experience the warm, smooth, and wide range of vintage distortion. This pedal delivers classic tones with ease. Explore 3 unique modes, solo, turbo, and normal. Effortlessly switch between them to craft your signature sound. Maintain your pure signal with true bypass hardware switching. It ensures your original tone remains unaffected when the effect is off. Crafted from a reliable aluminum alloy, this pedal features a beautiful art design. Its mini size packs a powerful punch. Despite its small footprint, it produces a big sound. Be creative and let it inspire your music. It requires a 9V DC power supply with an internal negative and external positive connection. Please note, the AC adapter is not included. What we like. This pedal offers a warm, smooth, and wide range of vintage distortion. With 3 distinct modes, solo, turbo, and normal, you can easily switch to achieve a unique sound. If you're looking for a versatile distortion pedal with an artistic flair, this is a great choice. What people say. The wah pedal has a great sweep and is very responsive. The sustain on this guitar is incredible, it really rings out. The neck profile is comfortable and allows for fast playing. Number 4. D'Addario Eclipse Tuner PW-CT-17BK. Tune your guitar or bass with ease. This tuner offers quick and accurate tuning, a large screen, and a strong, adjustable clamp for the perfect viewing angle. Experience great accuracy with a wide calibration range. It guarantees precise performance and is also adjustable to your needs. The vertical, full-color display offers limitless viewing angles. Its dual swivels make mounting perfect for any player, left or right-handed. Mount it anywhere on the headstock without worries of slipping. The strong clamp ensures it stays put. This tuner is ideal for acoustic guitars, electric guitars, bass guitars, and ukuleles. It's a versatile tool for any musician. What we like. This tuner provides quick and accurate tuning with a large, full-color display that offers limitless viewing angles. Its strong clamp ensures it stays put on your headstock. If you need a reliable and easy-to-read tuner for acoustic guitars, electric guitars, bass, or ukuleles, this is the one for you. What people say. The guitar has a fast neck profile, making it comfortable for playing complex solos. The active pickups provide a powerful and aggressive tone, perfect for hard rock and metal. The Floyd Rose tremolo system stays in tune exceptionally well, even with heavy use of the whammy bar. Number 3. MIFOGE Guitar Repair Tool Kit. Keep your instrument in top condition with this all-in-one repair kit. It's designed for acoustic and electric guitars, basses, banjos, and more. This kit includes a wide array of essential tools, from files and wrenches to specialized rulers and guards. Everything you need for adjustments and maintenance is right here. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these tools are perfect for making adjustments and repairs. They are suitable for luthiers and anyone who works with stringed instruments. Everything comes neatly organized in a handy carrying case. It's compact and easy to take with you, making it ideal for musicians on the go. Ensure your instrument always plays its best. This kit helps with everything from changing strings and setting the tone to checking string height and cleaning. These are the necessary tools for any musician. They are specifically designed to help you complete common repairs and adjustments with ease. What we like. This kit includes a wide array of essential tools for maintaining and repairing stringed instruments. From files and wrenches to specialized rulers and string winders, it covers most common adjustments. If you're a beginner or a seasoned musician who likes to keep their instrument in top condition, this comprehensive and portable kit is a must-have. What people say. The guitar has a fast neck and comfortable fretboard, making it easy to play complex solos. The pickups deliver a powerful and versatile tone, suitable for various playing styles. The Floyd Rose tremolo system stays in tune exceptionally well, even with heavy use of the whammy bar. Number 2. Funko Music Pop. Metallica Collectible Set. Get ready to rock with this incredible collectible set featuring your favorite Metallica members. These iconic figures are a must-have for any true fan. This set includes detailed figures of James Hetfield, Lars Ulrich, Kirk Hammett, and Robert Trujillo. Each one captures the essence of the legendary band. Standing at 3.75 inches tall, these figures are perfectly sized for display on your desk, shelf, or anywhere you want to show off your Metallica pride. Don't miss out on the chance to own these amazing pieces. Start your collection today and bring the energy of Metallica into your home. Ideal for all Metallica fans, this set makes the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Each figure comes individually packaged, ready for gifting. What we like. This set features collectible vinyl figures of the iconic members of Metallica. Standing at 3.75 inches tall, they are perfect for display. If you are a dedicated Metallica fan or a collector of music memorabilia, this set is an ideal way to show your appreciation for the band. What people say. The wah pedal has a unique circuit that gives it a distinct vocal-like quality, making it stand out from other wah pedals. Kirk Hammett's signature wah pedal features a custom-voiced inductor that provides a wide sweep and a rich, harmonic tone. The pedal's construction is robust and built to withstand the rigors of live performance, ensuring reliability for touring musicians. Number 1. ESP Ltd Kirk Hammett Signature KH602. Introducing the ESP Ltd Kirk Hammett Signature KH602. This guitar is built for powerful performances and iconic sound. Crafted with a solid alder body, it delivers a balanced tone with excellent resonance. Feel the quality in every note you play. Equipped with 2 high-output humbucking pickups, it provides a thick, powerful sound perfect for rock and metal. Get ready for crushing riffs. The ebony fingerboard offers a smooth, fast-playing surface. Its sleek feel allows for effortless string bending and rapid fretwork. A sturdy maple neck provides stability and contributes to its bright tonal character. It's designed for comfortable and reliable playing. Featuring a vibrato system in a sleek black finish, you can add expressive pitch modulation to your playing. Elevate your solos with dynamic vibrato effects. What we like. This electric guitar boasts a solid alder body and an ebony fingerboard for a smooth playing experience. Equipped with 2 humbucking pickups, it delivers powerful tones. If you're seeking a high-quality signature guitar with a classic construction and robust sound, this instrument is an excellent option. What people say. The wah pedal has a very smooth sweep and a wide range of tonal possibilities. The built-in fuzz circuit is surprisingly versatile, offering everything from a subtle grit to a full-on roar. Kirk Hammett's signature tone is captured perfectly in this pedal, making it a must-have for Metallica fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.